In this video I will show you how to make outline text effect in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to Type tool. Font color is white. Type your text. Adjust the text. Copy this text. Now we will drag the text down. Select the top text layer. Fill 0%. Go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Adjust the stroke size. Press OK. Now we will select both text layers and make them linked layers. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.